Are you looking for the best fitness bench? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best fitness bench that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. FlyBird Weight Bench. If you're just starting on your weight training journey, MCNBLK has the best adjustable weight bench for beginners. With a 400 pounds capacity and an incline/decline design, this utility bench is ideal for full-body weightlifting workouts as it supports folding dumbbells and elastic ropes. Take your pick of 7 backrest pad positions, supported by a heavy-duty, commercial-style steel construction in sleek leather material. The 6-in-1 dumbbell bench has a comfortable backrest that can be used sitting or laying down for effective exercises like bench press, sit-ups, push-ups, dumbbell lifts, and seated cable lateral raises. Non-slip rubber pads on the foot pads improve stability for safe, comfortable strength training sessions every time. The MCNBLK weight bench measures 31.8 by 12 by 13 inches and easily folds for convenient storage. Plus, it comes with 2 pairs of elastic ropes. What do we like? Multi-position utility bench for full-body workouts. Incline/decline bench with 7 adjustment options. Sturdy, heavy-duty structure that folds for storage. Great for folding dumbbells and elastic ropes. Used to train chest, shoulders, abs, back, and legs. Number 2. FlyBird Adjustable Bench. Our best overall pick is the FlyBird Adjustable Bench because it's crafted with sturdy steel, can handle up to 600 pounds, and folds up for storage. We gave the bench a 5 out of 5 for adjustability, affordability, comfort, extra features, and overall value, making it an easy top choice. Our tester noted that the bench was simple to set up right out of the box. At only 21 pounds and with an attached handle, this bench is easy to move around, so you can take your workout almost anywhere. The bench's seat is filled with plush foam and covered in durable synthetic leather, which makes it both comfortable and easy to clean. The feet are lined with non-slip rubber, meaning the FlyBird bench is stable and safe to use on hardwood floors. Pros: 24 adjustable positions. Foldable. 600-pound weight capacity. Cons: no decline in positions. Number 3. PASYOU Adjustable Weight Bench. PASYOU has the most adjustable weight bench with a weight limit of 500 pounds and 7 back positions for premium comfort. This foldable, full-body workout bench has 127 to 190 degree incline/decline settings with cushion and backrest protection for the head, neck, back, and waist. This weight bench supports a wide variety of upper and lower body workouts to build and maintain muscles, including sit-ups, shoulder press, bicep curls, one-arm rows, and dumbbell flies. The adjustable backrest, stable foot tube, and high-density foam padding helps with stability and reduce muscle fatigue after a big workout. Thick heavy-duty steel makes up this ergonomic triangle design, which measures 55.12 by 15.75 by 20 inches and comes nearly fully assembled. You just need to add the front and back support tube and foam rollers. What do we like? Fully adjustable design and heavy-duty steel construction. 7 comfortable back positions with ample protection. Padded backrest and foot tube minimize muscle fatigue. Sturdy bench base supports up to 500 pounds. Folds easily for quick storage. Number 4. Bowflex Weight Bench. This bench scored a 5 out of 5 for stability, adjustability, comfort, and extra features. It's our top pick for best adjustable, not only because the back has 6 different angles, but also because the seat and ankle supports can be adjusted independently. Our tester noted how easy it is to make adjustments using the knobs and levers, and how stable the bench felt in each position. The heavy-duty bench is crafted from commercial-grade steel and boasts a 600-pound weight capacity. While it's heavier compared to other benches on our list, The Bowflex stowable bench has built-in wheels on one end to make it easier to move. Our tester did note that setup could be challenging, especially without an extra pair of hands. But we love that the bench can be stored upright in the corner of a room if you're short on space. Pros: can be stored vertically. 600-pound weight capacity. Decline positions. Cons: difficult to set up. Number 5. SuperMax Adjustable Fitness Bench. This sturdy bench has an 800-pound weight capacity, a 33.5-inch tall backrest, and can fold up to a slim 9-inch depth for easy storage under a bed or cabinet. Our tester noted that this bench was very easy to set up, with only one piece to attach, and it scored 5 out of 5 for stability, adjustability, portability, and overall value. Our tester also said that she felt safe and supported on the SuperMax bench during seated and supine exercises, and even during step-ups. It's also easy to move the bench around when it's folded, meaning you can conveniently stash it away when you're not using it. We also like how versatile this bench is. The backrest has 6 adjustable positions, the seat has 2 adjustable positions, and the bench can be used flat, on an incline, or on a decline. The detachable leg hold bar is not padded but can be adjusted 3 different ways. Pros: 800-pound weight capacity. Tall backrest. Easy to set up. Cons: leg hold isn't padded. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.